Key commands or keyboard shortcuts are combinations of keys you can hit on your keyboard that will perform functions on the computer. Now, you're probably familiar with some of them from using Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word has some very common commands that can be used in most programs, like Control and C will copy text and Control and V will paste text. So there are Gmail commands that will work as keyboard commands as well. And there's a couple of different ways you can find those. One is if you go to a new tab and type in goo.gl / lowercase b, uppercase n, uppercase j, 7, lowercase y, 9 as an address, and you hit enter, it's going to bring you to the Learning About Google Apps for Education page, and the fourth tab over is Gmail. And if you click on that, toward the bottom is a few Gmail key commands that you can use to navigate around through Gmail. Now, that is not something that's probably going to pop into your head when you're in Gmail and you're trying to find the key commands. So another thing you can do is, if you come over to the settings gear, you go down to the bottom, there's a help option. If you click on that help option, you can actually click in the search bar and type key command, hit enter, and it'll give you a couple of different suggested articles, including keyboard shortcuts. If you click on keyboard shortcuts, it gives you a list of not only what they do, but also what some of the very specific features are within Gmail that you can use. So it not only breaks these down for you by control and something, because that's how PCs work, it also usually is going to give you a Mac key command as well, because Apple computers are going to use a different set of keys. They don't have control keys, they have I think it's a command key. So it gives you a whole list of different things, quick and easy ways that you can move through Gmail without even having to use your mouse. So if your hands are on the keys anyway to type, it's really fast, it's really easy to use some of these key commands. So it lets you go through. These are some that are set all the time, but also in the settings, if you turn on the keyboard shortcuts, these are some additional options. You don't need combinations of keys. There are single keys that will perform certain functions. So let's say I wanted to start a new email in a new tab. All I have to do is from my inbox, I can hit the D key and it opens up a new tab ready to go with a new message. That simple, that easy. I can do C key and that opens up a compose window within my Gmail without opening up in a new tab. So these are some of the handy, super fast features. Instead of having to click buttons and navigate around the screen, just tap the key, there's your message ready to go. Just tap the key, C key, there's your new compose window ready to go. So again, if we go to help, we do key command, or I think it was key shortcut, will get us there even faster, keyboard shortcuts, and there's a whole list. If you want, you can pop out these little, you'll notice that there's a little pop out here. So if I click on that, it's going to open up a new tab and it shows me how to do formatting. It shows me some of the shortcuts to do these different things if I want to do them instead of having to click through. So lots of possibilities, lots of options. I want to see if I can get the pop out on this one. It's not going to give me the pop out, but that's okay because it's got the whole list of different things I can do. Super easy, super simple, and super fast to use those keyboard shortcuts.